We are solving 3 minus 6 minus 4 times 2 plus 5. 3 minus 6 minus 4 equals 2 and times 2 and plus 5. Right? Now 3 minus 2 equals 1 times 2 plus 5. Now 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 5 and 2 plus 5 equals 7. But this is wrong. Why? Because first of all parentheses, right, then multiplication, then subtraction, then addition, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule, parentheses first, right? So 3 minus 4, 6 minus 4 equals 2 and times 2 and plus 5. Now multiply first. So 3 minus 2 times 2 equals 4 and plus 5. Now subtraction, then addition, right? So 3 minus 4 equals minus 1 plus 5. And minus 1 plus 5 equals 6. No. Minus 1 plus 5 equals 4. Minus plus minus. So the result is 4.